Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up TradingView for futures. First, open your TradingView account and head straight to the charting interface. Next, use the symbol search bar to find and select your desired futures contract. Remember to adjust the chart timeframe to align perfectly with your specific trading strategy, whether you prefer short-term or long-term views. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth trading experience. Now, let's customize your chart. Enhance your analysis by adding essential indicators such as moving averages or volume profiles directly to your chart. Don't forget to draw trend lines and mark key support and resistance levels. These are vital for technical analysis. Once you have your perfect setup, save your customized chart layout as a template. This saves time and ensures consistency across your trading sessions. Moving on to advanced features, TradingView offers powerful tools for futures traders. Utilize the depth of market, or DOM, to gain real-time insights into the order book data. Set up precise price alerts to receive instant notifications about significant market movements, ensuring you never miss an opportunity. Also, take time to explore the various order types available, understanding how each can benefit your futures trading strategy. To optimize your trading workflow, start by creating personalized watch lists to efficiently monitor your preferred futures contracts. This keeps your focus sharp. Next, leverage historical data to backtest your strategies, refining your approach for better performance. And hey, while you're optimizing, remember that life's too short for a stinky car. Grab a Little Tree's Black Ice air freshener to keep things fresh. Check the description below for a link to that and other great deals to enhance your trading environment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.